This is a proof of concept for an M2 machine gun movie prop that I'm building. It works on filling a combustion chamber with a mixture of propane and oxygen and then igniting it with a piezoelectric spark. So let's fill this combustion chamber with a mixture of propane and oxygen. And then I have my igniter here that provides a piezoelectric spark. Let's do it again. Pretty neat. Proof of concept works. And this is just a mock-up, an initial mock-up of the M2 that will house all the components. And these are the components. Here's the barrel. And we come down here and we have the combustion chamber, which leads back to two solenoid valves that control the flow of oxygen and propane respectively. And then from that we go to an electronic controller that controls the rate of fire by opening and closing the solenoids. It goes from anywhere from 0.1 second up to 10 seconds, but it'll go anywhere from a slow fire to a rapid fire machine gun. Then from there we go to the oxygen and propane control valves, and then from there we go down into the propane and oxygen tanks. And in between here will be a switch to activate the electronic controller and fire the prop gun. I initially was using a spark plug and a coil, and I just didn't get that to work very well. And after spending all that money, I'm using a barbecue piezoelectric igniter, and it works just fine. And this is the actual gas gun itself. As you can see, we have the barrel, combustion chamber, the propane and oxygen intakes. This will be replaced by a piezoelectric igniter. I was using a spark plug and a coil. It didn't work very well. The piezoelectric works fine. The gas feeds go into two solenoids that control the release of the gases, and the solenoids go to an electronic timer that controls the opening and closing of the solenoids. And then the intakes here go out to the air controllers and then the oxygen and propane tanks. And here's the turret ring that the M2 is going to fit in. Still working on it, got to put up the side shields and do the painting.